Hello students, welcome back in mathematics course. Next topic is solution of simultaneous equations by matrix inversion method. Solution of simultaneous equations by matrix inversion method. Matrix inversion method, matrix form Ax is equal to B. इसका है matrix form है Ax is equal to B. First equation का है Ax is equal to B. Where A matrix of coefficients, A का है matrix of coefficients, X matrix of variables, B matrix of constants. तीन प्रकार है याच्यामध्ये A का है matrix of coefficients. Find A inverse of A by adjoint method. आपल्याला काय करायचंय? A inverse काढायचं कोणत्या मेथडने? By adjoint method. Pre-multiply both sides of equation 1 by A inverse. जी प्रोसेस सांगतो तुम्हाला. A inverse multiply Ax is equal to A inverse into B. म्हणजे A inverse ला काय केलं? प्री मल्टिप्लाय केलं प्रत्येकाला. बट A inverse into A काय असतं? I. A inverse into A काय आहे? I. A inverse into A I तर I dot x. I dot x is equal to काय घ्यायचं? A inverse into B. Therefore x is equal to काय आलं? A inverse into B. पण तुम्ही काय करायचं? फक्त दोन इक्वेशन लक्षात ठेवायचे. x is equal to A inverse into B आणि Ax is equal to B. पहिले इक्वेशन जर तुम्हाला असा क्वेश्चन आला by using matrix inversion method तर पहिले इक्वेशन काय लक्षात ठेवायचं? Ax is equal to B आणि डायरेक्ट सेकंड इक्वेशन काय आहे? x is equal to A inverse into B. हे दोन इक्वेशन खूप महत्त्वाचे मॅट्रिक्स इन्व्हर्जन मेथड मध्ये, ते तुम्ही लक्षात ठेवायचे. Example, using matrix inversion method, solve the equations 5x plus y equal to 30, 3x plus 2y equal to 5. First you are write as it is equations 5x plus y is equal to 30, 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. Matrix form is Ax is equal to B. Ax is equal to B. Ax is equal to B. What is A? Coefficient matrix 5 1 3 2. X variable matrix x y. B, what is B? Constant matrix 13 5. Then next to find the A inverse. Second equation का डायरेक्ट A inverse is equal to, second equation का आपला x is equal to A inverse into B. X is equal to by A inverse into B. First you have to find A inverse. Here is 2 by 2 matrix. Here is 2 by 2 matrix. What is A? A equal to 5 1 3 2. म्हणजे आपल्याला फाइंड आउट काय करायचं? A इन्व्हर्स फाइंड आउट करायचं. पण कोणता मॅट्रिक्स इथं 2 by 2 मॅट्रिक्स आहे. 2 by 2 मॅट्रिक्स असेल तर A इन्व्हर्स व्हेरी सिंपल. फर्स्ट यू फाइंड द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ डिटर्मिनंट 5 1 3 2. पहिल्यांदा काय करायचं? आपल्याला डिटर्मिनंटची व्हॅल्यू काढायची. फर्स्ट काय होईल कॅल्क्युलेशन? 5 multiply 2 minus 3 multiply 1, that is 10 minus 3. What is the answer of this? 7. Determinant of A equal to किती आला? 7. Not equal to 0. Therefore A inverse exists. Therefore A inverse exists. You have find the value of A inverse. What is A inverse? A inverse equal to, first you have find the value of adjoint of A. What is the value of adjoint of A? Adjoint of A equal to काय करायचंय, डायगोनल एलिमेंट इंटरचेंज करायचं आहे आणि नॉन डायगोनल एलिमेंटचे साइन चेंज करायचे. 2 -1 -3 5. डायगोनल एलिमेंट काय करायचं आहे, इंटरचेंज करायचं आहे आणि नॉन डायगोनल एलिमेंटचे साइन चेंज करायचे. हे झालं adjoint of A. Therefore A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. हा काय झाला, फॉर्म्युला झाला, सूत्र झालं. A इनवर्स सूत्र काय आहे, 1 upon determinant A into adjoint of A equal to 1 upon, what is the value of determinant A? 7. Right here 7. Adjoint of A 2 -1 -3 5. 2 -1 -3 5. This is the value of A inverse. From equation 2, here is 1 second. From equation second, therefore x is equal to A inverse into B equal to, what is the value of A inverse? 1/7. 2 -1 -3 5. 2 -1 -3 5. Multiply, what is the value of B? Which value of B? Constant. 13 into 5. 13 5. आता 1/7 as it is. Here is also first row, first column. First row, first column. 26. 2 13s are 26. -5. -39. -39. Plus 25. 2 13 चा किती, 26 -5 -3 13 चा किती, -39 प्लस किती, 25. What is the answer of this? Here is 1/7. Here 26 -5 that is 21. आता -39 plus 25, here bigger number minus, that is minus 25, that is where is answer? 14. Divided by 7 means 21 divided by 7, 14 divided by 7. This is division. What is the division? 3 minus 2. And x is xy. X is xy. By equality of matrix. By equality of matrix. Therefore, by equality of matrix, therefore x is equal to 3, y is equal to minus 2. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 2. Next example, solve the following equations by matrix inversion method. X plus 2y equal to 4, 3x minus 5 equal to 1. Its solution, x plus 2y equal to 4, 3x minus 5y equal to 1. First you write a matrix form. Ax is equal to b, Ax is equal to b, a 1 2 3 minus 5, x variable matrix xy, b constant matrix 4 1, b constant matrix 4 1. This is the first equation where a equal to 1 2 3 minus 5, 1 2 3 minus 5. Here is another second equation. Therefore, x is equal to a inverse into b. X is equal to a inverse into b. where A equal to 1, 2, 3, minus 5. To find A inverse, you have find the value of A inverse. First you have find the value of determinant. Therefore determinant of A equal to, what is the value of determinant? 1, 2, 3, minus 5. Multiply this, minus 5 minus 3 2 are 6 is equal to minus 11, not equal to 0. Therefore determinant of A not equal to 0. Therefore A inverse exists. A inverse का झाला exist झाला. Therefore A inverse exists. Adjoint of A is equal to, what is the value of adjoint of A? आपलं काय करायचं, इंटरचेंजिंग करायचं. काय इंटरचेंज करायचं? डायगोनल एलिमेंट इंटरचेंज करायचं आहे. -5 -2 -3 1 and नॉन डायगोनल एलिमेंटचे साइन चेंज करायचे, म्हणजे चिन्ह बदलायचे त्याचे. Therefore A inverse is equal to, फॉर्म्युला लिहायचे 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A is equal to 1 upon, what is the value of determinant? -11. Here is adjoint of A, -5 -2 -3 1 equal to 1 upon 11 only. Multiply this, -5 2 3 -1. From equation 2 दुसऱ्या इक्वेशन वरून, from equation 2 x is equal to A inverse into B. What is the value of A inverse? 1 upon 11. 5 2 3 -1. 5 2 3 -1. Multiply value of B. What is the value of B? 4 1. First row, first column, 20 plus 2 12 minus 1 1 upon 11 22 upon 11 divided by 11